नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. हाउ आर यू ऑल? ओके, होप you all are fine. Are you all happy in home? Okay, my dear kids, have you all finished the exams? Have you submitted the papers? Please submit the papers, my dear kids. Okay, then see, last class we finished before the exam we finished one lesson, and also we missed something to learn, right? You take that we will learn today. Okay, see, ling. See, living things and all we can find out. Ling means gender. Gender. Okay, gender. How many types of gender is there? Two types, right? Masculine gender and feminine gender. So, in gender in Hindi we will tell ling. Okay, gender in Hindi we will tell ling. So, in that, what is going in? What is that means? Gender in if it is living things like animal, uh, persons like a mother, father, brother, sister, that we can easily find out which is masculine, which is feminine, right? Animals or a lion, lioness, like, isn't it? So, but if it is non-living things, it's very difficult for us to find in Hindi. English I don't know, but Hindi. So it is very difficult. So what it is happening means so many rules they are there. But you are small kids, so I am not teaching that much. Okay, when we will grow up, that time we can learn. Okay, now we will go to the लिंग. See here, लिंग स्त्री या पुरुष जाति का बोध कराने वाला शब्द स्त्रीलिंग या पुल्लिंग शब्द कहलाते हैं. इफ इट इज ए फेमिनिन और मैस्कुलिन, दैट वी कैन फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम दिस स्त्रीलिंग या पुल्लिंग. That we will tell as striling या पुल्लिंग. Okay, then mother, father, mata, pita. Mata means mother, pita means father. That we can find out. Phai, brother. Bahane, sister. That also phai means brother, so phai masculine. Bahan obviously that what? Feminine gender. Mama, mami. That also we can find out. Something is there. See that Ritu ke naam. Ritu ke naam means season's name. Season's name like Sardi, Garmi and all. Sardi, Garmi and all. That season's name will come in Striling. Okay, it will come in Striling. And that Asman, what and all is there in the sky, it will come as Pulling. Okay, so you can take your textbook page number 11. Up of that, see that number 2 is there. Up of that you should write today's date. What is today's date? 11/11/2020. Write that, ma. Okay, then कविता में आए स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों के सामने स्टार और पुल्लिंग शब्दों के सामने चांद बनाए और इन शब्दों का वाक्यों में प्रयोग करें. So you have to find that for स्त्रीलिंग, for feminine gender you want to put star, and for masculine gender you want to put what? Moon, half moon. So listen carefully. Sardi, number 1, Sardi. Sardi is Striling, so you should put star. Garmi, Striling, so star. Khat means cot, that we are lying to sleep and all, that is also Striling, so star. For that also rules are there that we will learn afterwards. Okay, then doodh, milk, liquid substance, so that is, it is pulling, that is chand you have to draw. Then fifth one, tare, that also pulling, so half moon. Gagan, then pulling. Ankh means eye, so it is striling. Chanda means moon, that is pulling, so you can put what is that? Half moon there. Okay, then third lesson, which little lengthy lesson, so we will, if we are getting time afterwards, we will learn. Okay, already it's too late, so small lesson we will learn. If after that, at last, if we are getting time means we can come to this lesson. Okay, then we will take the fourth lesson, Jungle Safari. Jungle Safari means what? Forest travel. Okay, forest travel. Okay, listen my dear kids. आरुषि और अभिषेक के लिए दादाजी एक नया वीडियो गेम लेकर आए थे. Abhishek and Arushi was siblings. They both are siblings. For them, their grandpa has brought what video game and gave video game for them to play. He brought one video game and gave. Then आरुषि ही अभिषेक इज कॉलिंग आरुषि. आरुषि चलो हम दोनों मिलकर जंगल सफारी खेलें. आरुषि चलो हम दोनों मिलकर जंगल सफारी खेलें. आरुषि come, we will play together that forest travel. You come and play with me. We will play together that jungle safari forest travel. हाँ भैया बड़ा मज़ा आएगा, चलिए ना. Okay dear, okay brother, it will be very interesting. Okay, come like that she is telling. Then आरुषि और अभिषेक बड़े मज़े से वीडियो गेम खेलने लगे. Then after that what happened? They were started playing video game. Very interestingly they were started playing video game. Suddenly what is happening? They went somewhere else. See that picture? You can see they are going inside, right? Yeah. So तभी दोनों को कुछ अलग सा महसूस हुआ. They felt something different. They are going somewhere else. ये सब कुछ इतना बड़ा क्यों है? Then they are telling that Arshi is telling why this everything is so big. When they went inside na, everything became big and these two kids became so small. So that Arshi is asking why everything is so big, because see that leaves also it is very big than them, right? So she is asking. Then अभिषेक इज टेलिंग आरुषि यह सब तो वैसा ही है जैसा जंगल सफारी में था. आरुषि यू सी दैट एवरीथिंग इज देयर लाइक सिमिलर लाइक दैट जंगल सफारी हाउ इट वाज देयर इन दैट फॉरेस्ट ट्रैवल प्ले. एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट लाइक दैट ओनली, लाइक दैट ही इज टेलिंग. देन दोनों को सामने घास में कुछ दिखाई दिया. That what happened? After that both of them had seen something near to that घास. घास means what? Grass. घास means grass. G-R-A-S-S. G-R-A. Sorry my dear kids, for my phone some touch problem is there, so that only I can't write fully. And also घास means grass. G-R-A-S-S. So they have seen something near to that grass. ये तो चींटियाँ हैं. ये इनके बड़े बड़े टंग तो देखो, मुझे डर लग रहा है. ये that and all is ants only. चींटियाँ, ants. ये तो this all are ants only. See that how their stings are. ये इनके बड़े बड़े टंग तो देखो. सी देयर दे हैव बिग टंग मीन्स स्टिंग्स. मुझे डर लग रहा है. आरुषि इसलिए आई एम फीलिंग सो स्कर्ड. सी देयर टंग्स एंड स्टिंग्स एंड हाउ दे आर गोइंग लाइक दैट शी इज टेलिंग. देन नेक्स्ट पेज में देखिए. दोनों चींटी के पास जाकर घास में चिप गए. दोनों नोट नेक्स्ट पेज, दैट सेम पेज ओनली. दोनों चींटी के पास जाकर घास में चिपते थे. व्हाट दे आर डूइंग? दे बोथ आर गोइंग नियर टू दैट ग्रास एंड दे आर हाइडिंग देयर. चिपते हैं मीन्स हाइडिंग. दे आर हाइडिंग देयर. दोनों चींटी के पास जाकर घास में चिपते हैं. ये आवाज़ कहाँ से आ रही है? दे सॉ ओनली द एंट्स ओनली. But when they went near that, some sound was hearing. So they are asking, why? From where this sound is coming? ये गौर से देखो, बड़े चींटी छोटी चींटी से बात कर रही है. ये listen carefully, see carefully. But that big chindi, that big ant is talking to the small one. Like that, Abhishek is telling to her. Then next page. दोनों चिपकर बात सुनते हैं. Then they are hiding and listening what the ants are telling. Then that small ant is telling, माँ हम मिट्टी खोदने में इतनी मेहनत क्यों करते हैं? Why we are doing this much hard work for digging this sand and all? हम मिट्टी खोदने में इतनी मेहनत क्यों करते हैं? Why we are doing this much hard work for digging this sand and all? Then mother is telling, हम मिट्टी खोद कर अपनी घर बनाते हैं. We are digging the earth, we are digging the sand and we are making home for us. घर means home. We are making home for us. Then पर हम ज़मीन के ऊपर भी तो रह सकते हैं. Then that baby and is asking, why can't we live on the up of the sand? Why can't we live on the up of this earth? Why we can't? Why we have to go inside? Like that baby is asking. हाँ, लेकिन हम मिट्टी खोदते हैं तो ज़मीन में से हवा गुजरती है. But what happening means when we are digging the sand, that wind will go from there, wind will pass from there. ज़मीन उपजाऊ होती है. उपजाऊ means fertile. That उपजाऊ, fertile, 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 fertile. So because of that, when we are digging the hole, that digging the sand, that wind will pass from there and that earth will be, what will be, that sand will be fertile or productive. Okay, productive or fertile means that sand is ready to like what we will say, something we can keep on the field and all, like food items, and for that it is that sand will become useful. Okay, that is only. So then, अरे वाह माँ, हम और क्या करते हैं? Then that baby says, okay, very good. Then or else what and all we are doing? Like that he is asking. हमारी कुछ बहनें दक्षिण अफ्रीका में आयुर्वेदिक चाय उगाने का काम आती है. Why our some sisters and all, they are there in the Dakshin Africa. They are helping the tea growing place. They are there and they are germinating the tea, Ayurvedic tea there. They are helping for them. They are working there. And और कुछ ज़मीन के कीड़ों को, then somebody else are doing what others are doing. Half of them are helping to grow that Ayurvedic tea. Then others are doing what and all insects is there on the earth, that everything they are killing. खत्म कर फसल बजाती है. फसल means crop. फसल means crop, CROP, crop. बजाती है means save. Oh, save by killing that insects from the earth. They are helping the whom? They are saving the crops, right? So because of ant only, the wind is passing away and that earth will become productive. And also in Dakshin Africa, some ants were what they are doing, they are helping them to grow that Ayurvedic tea, and some others are killing the insects what is there on the earth, and they are saving the crops. This much enough or you want more? Not need, right? This much only enough, right? So here we are this more papers are there, but if I'm taking more means it will be difficult for you to read. So please my dear kids, read something, at least 3 or 4 lines. Read. While reading, record it and send it to me. Okay, while like voice message and all you can send. No videos and all, no need. You can record while reading, you can record it and send it to me through my WhatsApp number. Okay, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.